Okay guys, I have checked out. It's time to go back to Islamabad. Look at these buses. If these aren't the coolest buses ever, I don't know which ones are. Assalamu alaikum. I can see a very nice red bus, but the hotel owner recommended me this bus from Wahid Travels. Thank you sir, thank you. They call it executive class. I think it's nice, this one. This is how the bus station of Faizabad looks like. Extremely busy, and we're gonna go for Faisal movers up there. If you can see it, there are people offering rides, motorbikes, car rides, taxis, everything. Some people selling food. There is also some kind of markets, people selling bags, restaurants, but I have to buy the ticket first. Guys, I have to say this is one of the most unorganized bus stations ever. I keep being sent from one office to the other. I'm already here for about 30 minutes and I still didn't manage to buy a ticket. How hard can it be? It's also very annoying that people keep skipping lines like you're invisible. Nobody seems to be willing to help me, but in the end we managed to get a ticket and the driver is really nice, so it's gonna be a nice trip. Alright guys, welcome in Murree. I have just arrived and I think about 20 or 30 taxi drivers came up to me offering me a ride to a famous place called Mall Road, which is where most of the tourists stay. They ask for 1,500 rupiah, which is about 5 euros. If you go by taxi, it is about 8 kilometers, and look at how busy it is. So it will take probably about 30 minutes. And if you go by walk, it's only about 500 meters. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. And the good thing about walking is you get to see a lot more. I thought it would be a relaxing city, but I have to say guys, this is even more chaotic than Islamabad. I like busy places, but right now I just think about getting a hotel, dropping my bag, and maybe go for the chairlift, which is the most popular attraction around here. Finally some rest. They almost gave me a headache within 5 minutes. We got some chickens waiting for their final destination, which would be some of these restaurants. Very interesting town. I'm guessing this is some kind of British leftover. We have reached the Mall Road, and look at how busy this road is. Probably even busier than the previous one. I hope we can find a hotel very quickly, because it's already 1 p.m. and I want to make the best out of this day. Alright guys, I have managed to find a 10 euro room in the middle of the city, or actually at the Mall Road. Not what I was hoping for, but good enough for one night. Welcome at another walking tour. We're at the beginning of Kuldana Road, and from here we're gonna walk all the way up to the Cindy Point. There are a lot of $1 shops. But I don't think they use dollars here. You can take pictures with some animals. You can even weigh yourself. Seems like a popular place for taking a picture. Check this out, guys. Let's see if we can actually touch him. Looks like a mix of a sheep, a cow, and a goat. Never seen something like this. I can also see many kids working, selling things. So many. Others are just begging. Last night I actually created a fight. There was one beggar who told me he wanted money for his family, but it turned out it were 3 different families. So in the end they started running after me. I told him to share the money with the others, and he didn't want to do that. Okay, we have the Popeye restaurant, but I don't think he sells spinach. I can only see meat. Yeah, so it costs 20 rupias to weigh yourself, which is less than 10 cents, about 6 cents. People trying everything to have a meal tonight, which I really appreciate, by the way. It's always better than begging. I'm not sure if these carry people or stuff. What do you guys think? Because actually we're on a mountain, so I'm walking down right now. Look at this. This is another alley, as you can see, but we're gonna save it for later. Also have an underground market, but I'm gonna continue to the Pindi point. I think food will not be a problem tonight, guys, and I really hope they have some kind of a local dish, which is hard to find anywhere else in Pakistan. That's what I like. Some more souvenirs over here. Pens, things made out of wood. There's even a snooker lounge. It's so weird because this place actually looks much busier than Islamabad somehow. Maybe it's because it is a touristic place. I'm still looking for a bank, by the way, that accepts Maestro, but I cannot find any. And my credit card is actually blocked. Some ice cream, coffee. You know what I like about this place, guys? People are not scared of cameras. And they don't even look at me like I'm some kind of stranger. Look at this. Got the tour car. I'm actually not sure if I'm walking the right way, but I think this should be the way to Pindi Point. Let me check out Google Maps. Yes, we got some nice people, not afraid for the camera. Okay, it is not as bad as I expected, guys, to be honest. I was a little bit overwhelmed when I arrived, because so many people came up to me offering taxi rides and hotel rooms. But it is not bad at all.